Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borsesar, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learn human health and disease chapter content concept. Disease pneumonia, pneumonia disease caused by different pathogens like viruses, bacteria, some fungus is also. In previous lecture we also detail discuss disease common cold. Common cold is one of the disease caused by rhinoviruses and coronaviruses. Today we are going to learn some more disease include in human health and disease chapter. Disease ringworm called as dermatophytosis. Disease ringworm called as dermatophytosis is one of the skin disease. Also today we detail discuss disease dengue fever. So let us start today's first concept. Ringworm also called as dermatophytosis. What is ringworm? Ringworm is a skin disease called them dermatophytosis. It is one of the skin infection disease caused by many fungal species belonging to genera Trichophyton and Microsporum. Which two genera of the fungal species cause ringworm or skin infection diseases? Trichophyton and Microsporum are two genera of the fungal species that cause dermatophytosis, ringworm or some skin infection diseases. त्वचेचा जो आजार म्हणतो आपण dermatophytosis means ringworm caused by many fungal species. विविध फंगल स्पेसीज कॉज करतात आणि फंगल स्पेसीजमध्ये दोन प्रकारचे जनरास त्याच्यात इन्वॉल्व होतात, जीनस ट्रायकोफायटॉन अँड जीनस मायक्रोस्पोरम. सो दिस टू जनराज ऑफ फंगल स्पेसीज मीन्स ट्रायकोफायटॉन अँड मायक्रोस्पोरम आर कॉज्ड बाय स्किन डिसीजेस. Always remember these two genera, Trichophyton and Microsporum. These fungi feed on keratin in the skin. Keratin in the skin ला feed करण्याचं काम करतात हे fungi. Also hairs, also nails means keratin in the skin also feed hair, also feed nail of the Trichophyton and Microsporum fungi. So these fungi are caused by skin infection diseases. We detail discuss what are the symptoms of ringworm. Infected skin show enlarged red rings are seen in on the skin symptom. Second, appearance of dry scaly lesions on the various part of the body. आपल्या बॉडीच्या व्हेरियस रिजन्समध्ये स्केली लेशन्स दिसून येतात, ड्राय अपीअरन्स दिसून येतात अँड दीज आर द सिम्पटम्स ऑफ रिंगवर्म. दीज रेड पॅचेस जे दिसून येणारे वेगवेगळे रेड कलरचे पॅचेस असतील मीन्स ऑन द व्हेरियस पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. इंटेन्स इचिंग करताना आपल्याला ते दिसतात. सो दीज आर द सिम्पटम्स ऑफ रिंगवर्म. Infection on nail term as onychomycosis. What is onychomycosis? Onychomycosis means infection of nails are called as onychomycosis. नेलला इन्फेक्शन करण्याच्या टर्मला ऑन्कोमायकोसिस म्हटलं गेलं आहे. ड्यू टू दिस नेल बिकम्स थिक, discolored and disfigured. Due to onychomycosis, nails becomes thick, nail थिक्स होतात, discolored होतात and disfigured होतात. So this infection is seen on the nails and it is also one of the symptoms of ringworm. Athlete's foot is fungal infection that usually begins between the toes. Between the toes, athletes मध्ये fungal infection दिसून येतो, and this infection is also symptoms of ringworm. Up to this we detail discuss different symptoms of ringworm. Now we detail discuss mode of transmission of ringworm disease. कसा ट्रान्समिशन होतो फ्रॉम one person to other person. Ringworm is one of the skin disease, fungal disease spread by sharing of cloth of infected person. इन्फेक्टेड पर्सनचे क्लॉथ शेअर केल्यामुळे कदाचित नॉर्मल पर्सनला डिसीज स्प्रेड होण्याची शक्यता असते. रिंगवॉर्म स्प्रेड बाय शेअरिंग ऑफ कोम ऑफ इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन. इन्फेक्टेड पर्सनचा जर कोम शेअरिंग केला तर नॉर्मल पर्सन देखील इन्फेक्टेड होऊ शकतो. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोड ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ रिंगवॉर्म. And third one is close contact with infected person is also one of the mode of transmission of ringworm. Up to this we detail discuss mode of transmission of ringworm. Now we detail discuss diagrammatic view of ringworm. Yes, this is the ringworm. This one is fungal species cause ringworm disease. So this one is fungal species. Microscopic ringworm fungus. This one is microscopic ringworm fungus. This thread-like part of the fungus called as fungal hyphae. These hyphae spread on the skin. So these hyphae are caused by skin disease actual. This region is actual. Fungus lives on the dead tissue of the skin, keratin skin layer. On present live fungus in the skin. Ringworm lesions. Here clearly seen, this one is ringworm lesion. This one is a ringworm lesion, means symptoms of ringworm. Due to different hyphae are spread on the skin of dead tissue layer, spread on the skin, and due to the symptoms seen, ringworm lesion. Here we detail seen diagrammatic view of ringworm. Now we detail discuss diagnosis and treatment of ringworm. Ringworm diagnosis by physical examination means the skin disease is easily seen on the skin. So physical examination is one of the diagnosis process of ringworm. Ringworm treatment drugs like nystatin is one of the drugs are useful for destroy the fungus causing ringworm disease. Also, fluconazole is also one of the drugs that effective fungus causes ringworm disease, and triconazole are also one of the drugs are effective for the fungal species cause ringworm disease. All these here different medicines like nystatin, fluconazole and triconazole are most effective drugs for treatment against the skin disease. All these three different chemical drugs are useful for kill the ringworm disease cause fungus. So these are the effective treatment for ringworm disease. Up to this we detail discuss diagnosis and treatment of ringworm disease. Now prevention and control of ringworm. Prevention of ringworm by avoid close contact with infected person पासून आपण अवॉइड केला पाहिजे क्लोज कॉन्टॅक्ट. सो ड्यू टू दिस प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ रिंगवर्म डिसीज. सेकंड, अवॉइड शेअरिंग क्लॉथ्स इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ रिंगवर्म. अवॉइड स्पोर्ट इक्विपमेंट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रिव्हेन्शन अँड कंट्रोल ऑफ रिंगवर्म. वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स इन हॉट वॉटर. जो पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड आहे त्या पर्सनचे क्लॉथ्स हॉट वॉटरमध्ये गरम पाण्यामध्ये वॉशिंग केले पाहिजेत. विथ फंजीसायडल सोप त्याने वापरला पाहिजे. अँड विथ फंजीसायडल सोपच्या मदतीने वॉशिंग द क्लॉथ्स इन हॉट वॉटर help to destroy the fungal pathogens. And these are the prevention control measure of ringworm. Up to this we detail discuss different point of view prevention and control of ringworm disease. Now up to this we detail discuss ringworm is one of the skin disease caused by fungal species. Two main genera, Trichophyton and Microsporum. Now we detail discuss. Dengue fever is one of the disease. What is dengue? Dengue is a painful vector-borne disease. Dengue is a painful vector-borne disease caused by any one of 4 closely related dengue viruses. Means total 4 closely related dengue viruses. Any one them caused by a painful vector-borne disease known as dengue. 4 प्रकारचे क्लोजली रिलेटेड डेंग्यू व्हायरस असतात आणि त्यापैकी कोणत्याही एका डेंग्यू व्हायरसने अ पेनफुल व्हेक्टर बोर्न डिसीज ऑकर्स होतो आणि त्याला आपण म्हणतो डेंग्यू डिसीज. सो दिस इज द डेंग्यू डिसीज मीन्स इट इज अ पेनफुल व्हेक्टर बोर्न डिसीज कॉज्ड बाय एनी वन ऑफ द 4 क्लोजली रिलेटेड डेंग्यू व्हायरसेस. Now we detail discuss symptoms of dengue fever. Number 1, first, high fever is one of the symptoms of dengue disease. Means जास्त ताप येणं हे देखील डेंग्यूचं लक्षण असू शकेल. सेकंड, वॉमिटिंग इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द symptoms of dengue disease. Joint pain is a common symptoms of dengue disease. Also muscle pain is also one of the common symptoms of dengue disease. Headache, डोकेदुखी म्हणतो आपण, देखील one of the symptoms of dengue disease. Decrease in platelet counts. प्लेटलेटची संख्या कमी झालेली असते अँड दिस इज also one of the symptoms of dengue disease. Up to this we detail discuss different symptoms of dengue disease. Now we detail discuss mode of transmission of dengue disease. Number one, first, dengue virus is transmitted through the bite of female Aedes mosquito. Dengue virus is transmitted through the bite of female Aedes mosquito. You know, malaria transmitted through bite of Anopheles female mosquito. Like this, dengue disease are transmitted, the virus of dengue, through bite of female Aedes mosquito. The mosquito take up dengue virus when suck blood of a person suffering from dengue. जो पर्सन डेंगू सफर करणारा असेल त्या पर्सनमधून ॲडिस फिमेल मॉस्किटो टेकअप करतो डेंगू व्हायरस अँड इट स्प्रेड टू द अनादर पर्सन. सो दिस इज द मोड ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ डेंगू डिसीज. Up to this we detail discuss mode of transmission of dengue disease. Now we detail discuss diagnosis of dengue fever. Dengue fever diagnosed by blood test. Through blood test, dengue diseases are seen in the blood. So blood test is one of the diagnostic test of dengue fever. And also physical examination is also diagnostic test of dengue fever. Now we detail discuss prevention and control of dengue fever. Prevention of mosquito bite by using mosquito net is one of the prevention control of dengue. Using insect repellent is also one of the preventive control of dengue. Spraying insecticide, due to this dengue viruses are kill also. Aedes female mosquito are killed by spraying insecticides. Eradication of mosquito delete करणे हाच एकमेव प्रिव्हेन्शन कंट्रोल मेजर म्हणून पर्याय आहे. वाटर शुड नॉट रिमेन स्टॅग्नंट. सो स्टॅग्नंट वाटर रिमूव्ह इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रिव्हेन्शन कंट्रोल ऑफ डेंगू. Up to this we detail discuss prevention and control of dengue and detail discuss dengue is one of the viral disease. Review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture disease ringworm are also called as dermatophytosis. We detail discuss mode of transmission of ringworm, symptoms of ringworm, diagnosis and treatment of ringworm, and prevention control of ringworm disease. We also detail discuss in today's lecture disease dengue fever, mode of transmission of dengue fever, symptoms of dengue fever, diagnosis of dengue fever, and prevention control of dengue fever. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ question number 1. Which species of mosquito cause dengue fever? Female Anopheles mosquito, female Culex mosquito, female Aedes mosquito, all of these. Yes. Which one mosquito cause dengue fever? खालीलपैकी कोणता मॉस्किटो डेंगू फीवर कॉज करतो? मीन्स डेंगू फीवर व्हायरस ट्रान्समिशन करतो. यस. ringworm is dash dash disease. Is it ringworm is fungal disease or bacterial disease or parasitic disease or viral disease? रिंगवॉर्म खालीलपैकी कोणत्या कॅटेगरीतला डिसीज आहे? यस. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3. आयडेंटिफाय स्किन डिसीज. खालीलपैकी कोणता स्किन डिसीज आहे? डेंगू, रिंगवॉर्म, टायफॉइड, ॲस्कॅरिस. यस. विच वन इज स्किन डिसीज? शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन. Short answer question. Number 1. Name the pathogen category of dengue disease. Yes. Which one is pathogen category of dengue disease? Dengue disease च्या पॅथोजनची कॅटेगरी कोणती असेल? यस. सेकंड. Which genera of fungal species cause ringworm diseases? Yes, there are 2 genera of the fungal species cause ringworm diseases. Which are those? Yes. Number 3. What is onychomycosis? Yes. What is onychomycosis? Onychomycosis काय असतं? How many closely related dengue viruses cause dengue disease? How many type of closely related dengue viruses cause dengue diseases? Yes. Up to this today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube BioInfo channel and tap the bell icon, like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.